Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Helmut Ettl, Vice Chair of the European Banking Authority and Executive Director of the Austrian FMA. And it's my pleasure to speak some words to you today. Even though we are connecting virtually, I'm excited to share our SupTech initiatives with all of you. I will begin my keynote by addressing the first question. How is the FMA expanding SupTech projects into institution-wide efforts or bringing advancements to scale? First of all, a strong strategic framework is important. The FMA has established a central coordination of SupTech and digital transformations that develops an institution-wide SupTech innovation digitalization strategy and coordinates activities in these areas. This is complemented by strong leadership commitments and a clear governance framework which together form the foundation within the FMA. The FMA Innovation Lab supports these efforts by enabling colleagues to experiment with new technologies and implement innovative ideas in a safe environment and contributes to the systemic process of upskilling and knowledge build-up. Communication is key in bringing everybody on board. The FMA establishes various information and communication channels, for instance, regular town hall meetings for general information open to everyone. And then we are establishing communities of practice or working circles to bring together colleagues from various departments to exchange views on specific topics and work together on strategies to make achievements and available for the department's needs. We work on the internal communication groups via Viva Engage or Teams for quick information exchanges. We have established power users called champions that directly interact with colleagues and give hands-on advice and support on daily challenges. Additionally, it is important to bring business stakeholders into the development process early to increase commitment and ensure that the department's needs are sufficiently covered by the applications. Cross-jurisdictional collaboration and scaling is another important point. Beyond internal efforts, the FMA actively engages in international SupTech collaboration to leverage synergies and bring innovations to scale through participation in international networks, for instance, YOSCA and BIS, as well as in bilateral partnerships with other supervisory authorities on the EU level, for instance, ESMA, EBA, IOPA. Through this comprehensive approach, the FMA ensures that SupTech innovation benefits the entire organization and reaches their full potential. This brings me to the second question concerning our latest breakthroughs, prototypes, and live deployments at the forefront of innovations that we are focusing on. The FMA is advancing innovation across multiple fronts, from early stage experimentation to fully operational deployments. For instance, live deployments. The FMA Certificate Magnifier is a fully interactive customer comparison tool that enhances market transparency by publishing comprehensive data on retail investment products. It enables consumers to independently compare different certificates based on costs, risks, and expected returns. The tool is publicly available and demonstrates the FMA's commitment to consumer protection through digital innovation. We also have active deployments, developments, and prototypes. A similar comparison tool for investment funds, FMA Fund Magnifier, is currently under development and will be launched in the next month. With the help of this, we want to expand consumer access to transparent, independent product comparison. Then for the internal supervision processes, the FMA is developing the 360-degree tool, an organization-wide digitalization project that integrates reporting data, document information, and analytical insights into a single source truth for the supervision of regulated entities. This tool aims to harmonize, optimize, and streamline supervisory workflows. Let me move now to our experimental and breakthrough technologies. The FMA is actively exploring large language models to support daily work and automate labor-intensive tasks such as analyzing large volumes of complex documents. To mention 3 examples: first, organization-wide deployments of Microsoft Copilot to enhance productivity across all departments. Second, development of advanced LLM-powered workflows within the 360-degree tool for automated document analysis and data extraction. And third, the Innovation Lab projects testing generative AI for supervisory report summarization, risk pattern identification, and regulatory compliance checks. These initiatives position the FMA as the forefront of SupTech innovation, combining consumer-facing transparency tools with cutting-edge internal supervisory technologies.